Welcome to today's Bitcoin price predictions. Today we're just going to start off by looking at the daily chart. We're just going to be going over, what the general direction of the market is now. So there's either two things that could happen here. We could either get a push to the downside or a push to the upside, just in the general market. So here's how this would play out. This is an Elliott wave right here, as you can see. Basically what we do is we'd have a small jump to the upside, get some resistance about there, and then we continue on a downtrend until it finally breaks. Or what we could happen is this, and we're just gonna get a full push to the upside, break right here, and we'll see what happens from then. What do I believe? I think that this could result in either both. I think the upside is probably more likely in the fact that we're just going to start going into an uptrend. So another thing that you need to think of right here is we are seeing an RSI divergence on the daily. This was confirmed. I was looking at it last night, but this is fully confirmed now that the candle's closed. So this is either going to result in some price action, just ups and downs, which I don't mind, honestly. As I'm a swing trader, I play the ups and downs. It's basically a gold mine for us. Or what could happen is we get a slight bullish move. Then again, either both of these would happen. I would probably prefer the sideways action, which I also think is most likely. So let's go down to about the 1 hour. Just check it out here. Let's put that back. And okay, so as I predicted last night, the price broke through this, and then it went down and back up and broke the daily, and now it is approaching the POC. And there's two things that we could happen. We can set two different plans for this. So either it's going to come down to this daily chart and blast through the POC, which would be great if I say it. That would be pretty good. I think that would increase the chances of getting a full bullish move. But we'll just see how it happens. So as you can see, we did get a little bit of resistance right there. So it's either it's gonna break through this and continue up, maybe see some resistance right here, and maybe a swing failure pattern right here from this previous liquidity from right there. So it's either it goes up and probably gets resistance about here and continues down, or we get resistance right here and continue down. I would say they're probably equal probabilities. As you can see, we are getting a lot of volume, which means there are traders active, so either big move could be happening. Just checking back from last night's trade, I bought right here and I set my take profit as soon as it approached the POC, as you can see right here. So I did make a trade of 2.5% profit. It's a very easy trade. There really is multiple ways to go about this. Let's just check back on the daily. Yeah, let's go 2 days. And we're just gonna see what the indicators are saying, just to see. So let's check with the percentile. We see the Bollinger Bands with percentile is saying it is a bit on the overvalued side. Let's check MACD. MACD is kind of neutral. There's not really much happening there. And we'll check the Stotch. Where is that? Cluster algorithm and Stotch. So we are seeing actually both bullish indicators right here. So just looking over these indicators now, I do think we are going to continue breaking through this, maybe get a little bit of resistance. Let's check back 2 hours. So yeah, just since we looked at those indicators, I believe that we are going to see a little bit of resistance here and then get a move to the upside. That's what I believe to be happening. As you can see, little of a bearish indicator right here from the cluster algorithm and the Stotch, which means we'll get a short-term move to the downside, but we will continue going up. What else should I cut? I honestly think that's about it. I would just be on the lookout for this, and I would probably set a buy for tonight. I'm going to put in a buy order as soon as it hits this 16,640 level, as you can see right here. I'll set my stop loss right back down at this daily level, and then I'll set my target to probably in the middle between the daily and this liquidity line right here. So that's how this is all going to play out. Thank you for watching.